Imagine waking up in a world where your body never truly gets tired, where your cells recharge like solar panels, your thoughts sync with AI companions, and diseases are not cured, but upgraded out of existence. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, give it a decade or two, and you might be living it. Welcome to the frontier where technology meets biology. This isn't just about smarter gadgets, it's about smarter humans. We're talking about the next stage of evolution, the fusion of flesh, energy, and code. And it's happening faster than most people realize. Right now, as you listen to this, engineers, geneticists, and neural designers around the world are quietly rewriting what it means to be human. They're not waiting for evolution, they're hacking it. And the fuel behind this revolution? Energy. Not just electricity, but biological energy. Let's dive in. For the last century, we've powered our machines with oil, coal, and sunlight. But what if we became the batteries? In Japan, researchers are developing biohybrid cells that convert the body's own heat and movement into power. Imagine charging your smartwatch just by being alive. No cables, no plugs, just life energy. Meanwhile, scientists at MIT are experimenting with living materials, cells that can grow, heal, and even generate electricity. Think about that for a second. Walls that power themselves, roads that repair themselves, and one day, maybe a heart that never stops beating because it generates its own energy. That's not science fiction anymore. That's science in motion. But let's zoom in closer to you. Because the real transformation isn't happening in labs. It's happening under the skin. Neural implants like Elon Musk's Neuralink are already helping paralyzed people move again by reconnecting the brain with the body through tiny electrodes. And that's just the beginning. Imagine remembering anything instantly, downloading languages, upgrading your senses, or accessing the internet with a thought. No keyboard, no screen, just consciousness as the interface. Now, you might be thinking, wait, that sounds like the Matrix. And yes, it kind of does. But the difference is, this time, we're the programmers. Here's where it gets really fascinating. We often think of technology as something outside of us, our phones, our laptops, our smart fridges that judge our midnight snacks. But the future isn't about separation. It's about symbiosis. Your DNA could soon interact with digital code. CRISPR gene editing is already giving scientists the power to rewrite the blueprint of life, turning off diseases and even enhancing traits. Combine that with AI's ability to analyze trillions of genetic variations, and we get something entirely new, evolvable intelligence. Humans who can adapt not over millions of years, but within one lifetime. We won't just live longer, we'll live smarter. We'll live connected. But there's another kind of energy in this story, the invisible one. The biological energy that runs everything, your heartbeat, your emotions, your thoughts. Modern science is finally catching up to what ancient cultures always knew. Energy isn't just something you consume, it's something you are. Biophoton research shows that every cell in your body emits tiny flashes of light. Literally, you glow. Your body is already a network of energy signals, transmitting data faster than any Wi-Fi. So when we talk about merging with technology, maybe we're not creating something new. Maybe we're just amplifying what's already inside us. Now, hold on, because this isn't all sunshine and nanobots. There are questions we have to ask. If our minds are connected to machines, who controls the signal? If our DNA is editable, who decides what's perfect? And if we can live forever, will we still know what it means to live? The truth is, technology is a mirror. It amplifies whatever we already are. If we're guided by fear, it creates control. If we're guided by curiosity and compassion, it creates evolution. The energy of the future isn't just solar or nuclear, it's human. It's the fusion of biology and technology, of heart and code, of evolution by design. We are entering an age where consciousness itself becomes the power source. So maybe the question isn't, what's the future of human evolution? Maybe it's this: what kind of human do you want to become? Because the next frontier isn't out there in space, it's inside us. And it's waking up right now,